event is one.
Yes, audience, may we have silence, please? No talking at all now. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Our final event is one where knowledge unravels stories of courage and Shakti, where every question carries the echo of valor, where every answer brings forgotten history back to life. Welcome to Bharat ki Viranganao ka Itihas, Gyan Manthan, a celebration of fearless women whose courage shaped a nation, whose strength defied limits.
Our guest of honor for the day needs no introduction, as her presence and achievements speak for themselves, an epitome of grace, strength, and wisdom, and truly the pinnacle of inspiring leadership. In a world where strength is often measured in loud victories, true empowerment lies in quiet resilience, unwavering vision, and the courage to uplift others. Today, we are honored to be guided by a leader who embodies these very values.
She is the nurturing force behind countless dreams, the guiding light that turns potential into achievement, and the steady voice that inspires confidence in every learner she touches. It is my privilege to welcome our guest of honor for the event, our very own principal, Mrs. Renu Puri. She will be joining us shortly.
After rigorous prelims, the four schools that have been shortlisted in no specific order are Holy Angel School Rajpura, Learning Path School Mohali, Vivek High School Mohali, and Vivek High School Chandigarh.
There was a tie between two schools, Bhavan Vidyalaya and Vivek High School Mohali. So a tiebreaker round was conducted for these two schools, and Vivek High School Mohali won this round. May I now request the participants of the selected schools of the Gyan Manthan to kindly come on stage for the draw of lots, pick their slips, and take their seats accordingly.
May I now request Ms. Gaganjot Sachdeva and Ms. Arshdeep Kaur to come up on stage for scorekeeping. And now, to lead this quiz, we have our very own quiz master, whose presence alone can turn silence into suspense and curiosity into spirited competition. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. Gurdev Singh.
Nas. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. and God bless you all. Thank you so much. न समझ मेरी बेबसी को हार, न समझ मेरी बेबसी को हार, मैं सहने की ताकत रखती हूं। न समझ मेरी बेबसी को हार, मैं सहने की ताकत रखती हूं। न जा मेरे आंसुओं पर, मैं सैलाब लाने का जज्बा रखती हूं। न ललकार मेरी गैरत को, न ललकार मेरी गैरत को, मैं तबाह रख करने का हौसला रखती हूं। मैं नारी हूं, कोई कमजोर नहीं। मैं नारी हूं, कोई कमजोर नहीं। आ जाऊं अपनी आन पे तो इतिहास बदलने का दम रखती हूं। I welcome you all to today's history quiz. As we all know, our history is full of courage, sacrifice, and determination. And many people, both men and women, have played a remarkable role in shaping its glorious past. So today, we are going to explore the legacy of our brave Indian women through our quiz on भारत की वीरांगनाओं का इतिहास। जोरदार तालियां। Thank you. Our history is enriched by the contribution of many women like Rani Lakshmibai, who showed her courage in the battlefields, Razia Sultan, who broke barriers and ruled with wisdom, Savitribai Phule, who fought for girls' education, and Sarojini Naidu, who played an important role in the freedom struggle. They have left unforgettable mark on our history. So today's quiz is not just a test of your knowledge. It's a tribute to the brave daughters of India whose courage and sacrifice continue to inspire our generation. नारी कभी कमजोर नहीं होती, बस वक्त से मजबूर होती है। नारी कभी कमजोर नहीं होती, बस वक्त से मजबूर होती है। उठ जाए अपने हौसलों के दम पर, उठ जाए अपने हौसलों के दम पर, तो दुनिया भी उसके आगे झुकने को मजबूर होती है। So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to inspired by the history of India's fearless and brave daughters. Let's begin our quiz. So now we have 4 final teams with us. I would like to request each team to introduce themselves. First team, learning path. Yes, dear. Mike. Your name?
My name is Ahav.
Ahab. Okay.
I'm Sahaj.
Sahaj. Speak loudly.
My good name is Laksh.
Laksh. Okay. Team B, Holy Angel, Rajpura.
Hi, I'm Vandini.
Hi, I am Agam Susdeva. Hi, I am Pritesh Jain.
Great. Third, Vivek High School, Mohali.
My name is Seerath.
Seerath. Okay.
My name is Tushita.
Sushita.
Tushita.
Okay. Sunandan.
Good afternoon,
Vivek High
everyone.
School, Chandigarh.
My name is Pandita Rana.
I'm Shaurya Bansal.
I am Gurmeher Singh Sidhu.
Great. In today's quiz, we have 6 rounds. Journal round, audio round, clue-based round, crossword round, video round, and buzzer round. But very important announcement. There are some questions for our audience also. If you answer them, you will get a chocolate. Jeeb Lap Lapai, sponsored by Vivek High School, Sector 38, Chandigarh. Now, before we start, 2 lines for our teams. जीत की खातिर जनून रखना, जीत की खातिर जनून रखना, जिसमें जोश हो ऐसा खून रखना, जीत की खातिर जनून रखना, जिसमें खून हो, जिसमें गर्मी हो ऐसा खून रखना, ये आसमां भी आएगा जमीन पर, बस इरादों में अपने जीत की गूंज रखना. So moving to our first round, Shakti Samvad. Question 1 to team A. Now there are some guidelines. Each team will be given 2 questions. Each question carries 10 marks and 5 marks for pass question and 10 marks for the right answer. And there will be no negative marking. Great. Okay. Can we have first question? Team A, name the first female speaker of the Lok Sabha. Silence, please.
Meera Kumar.
Meera Kumar is the right answer. Daughter of Jagjeevan Ram, former Deputy Prime Minister of India, and she was the first Lok Sabha speaker from 2009 to 2014. Okay. Team B, Holy Angel, Rajpura. Second question, please. Name the first woman chief minister of a state in India.
Sucheta Kriplani.
Can you repeat?
Sucheta Kriplani, Uttar Pradesh.
Uttar Pradesh. Can we have answer, please? Sucheta Kriplani. She was a member of the Constituent Assembly. Very much active in the Quit India movement in 1942. Next question to Vivek High School, Mohali. Name the first Indian woman judge of the Supreme Court. First woman judge of the Supreme Court.
Leela Seth.
Leela.
Seth.
Woo! Okay. Vivek.
Can we answer this?
Yeah.
It's Justice Fatima Bibi.
Justice Fatima Bibi is the right answer. 5 marks. She was appointed to the Supreme Court in 1989. After her retirement, she served as a governor of Tamil Nadu in 1997 to 2001. Team D. Name the first Indian woman to become the president of the UN General Assembly.
Vijay Lakshmi Pandit.
Vijay Lakshmi Pandit is the right answer. Sister of Jawaharlal Nehru. She served as the Indian ambassador to several countries, UK, US, USSR. Great. Next question to Team A. Name the longest serving female Chief Minister of Delhi from 1998 to 2013.
Aruna Asaf Ali.
Yes, yes.
Aruna Asaf Ali.
No. Come on. Fast.
Rekha Gupta.
Huh?
Rekha Gupta.
Rekha Gupta. Woo! Team C. Come on. No? Team D. Audience. Jeeb laplapai. Yes, audience. Yes, dear. Sushma Swaraj. Oh, आप मिस कर गए chocolate. Yes, dear. Sheila Dixit is the right answer. Senior leader of Congress party. She also served as the governor of Kerala. Team B, your question. Name the first woman chief minister of Tamil Nadu who was fondly known as Amma. Silence, please.
Jayalalitha. Jayalalitha.
Your time is up. Yes, dear. Come on, fast.
Akamma Cherian.
No. Yes, dear. No? Audience. Achha, you know this. Sorry, I'm sorry.
S.N. Subbulakshmi.
Subbalakshmi is not right answer. Oh. Yes, dear. Third row. Yeah. Speak loudly. Jay?
Jayalalitha.
Jayalalitha is the right answer. Okay, one more question to the audience. Audience. What was the name of Jayalalitha's political party? 2 chocolates for this answer. Oh. Ab aayega maja. Okay, dear. Congress. No. Yes, dear. Bharatiya Janata Party is not right answer. DMK. No. Silence, please. Silence, please. Okay. Yes, dear. No. AI DMK is the right answer. 2 chocolate this boy. Anna DMK. Jayalalitha introduced many welfare schemes for poor, like Amma Canteen, Amma Water. Now next question to team C. Name the first female railway minister of India who is fondly referred to as Didi. No.
Mamta Banerjee.
Mamta Banerjee is the right answer. Great. She has been the Chief Minister of West Bengal since 2011. Okay, one more question to the audience. Silence, please. क्विज का मजा लीजिए. क्विज का मजा लीजिए. ना शोर मचा के खुद को ना हमें सजा दीजिए. क्या बात. ये आप ही के लिए. Okay. Now audience question. You have to name the political party of Mamata Banerjee. Yes, dear boy. DMK. TMC. Can you tell me the full form of TMC?
TMC.
Yes, dear. Trinamool Congress.
TMC.
TMC. Right. Okay. Next question. D. Name the Dalit woman leader who became Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, 4 times breaking barrier for the marginalized communities.
Mayawati.
Mayawati is the right answer. Mayawati. Okay, one more question to the audience. Silence, please. Please, please, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. Pin drop silence. I know you. आपको मजा आ रहा है. Please. By which name is Mayawati known? Very easy. Mamata Banerjee is called Didi. Now, I'm not coming. I'm not coming. Yes, dear. Angie is the right answer. Great answer. Can we have the score, please?
Yeah. Okay, by the end of the first round, we have Team A with 10 points, Team B, which is Holy Angels, with 10 points. Team C is yet to start with their points so far. So far, nothing to be at the end of first round. And Team D, which is Vivek High Chandigarh, is 30 points.
30 points. So 2 lines to Vivek High Mohali. 2 lines to Vivek High Mohali. कबीर जिंदा रखना, ज़मीर जिंदा रखना. कबीर जिंदा रखना, ज़मीर जिंदा रखना. हौसलों के तरकश में कोशिशों के तीर जिंदा रखना. हार भी जाओ सब जिंदगी में, बस जीत की उम्मीद जिंदा रखना. क्या बात है. अब आएगा मजा. Now moving to the second round of our quiz. Swar Shakti. Silence, please. In this round, we will play one audio clip for each team, and you have to identify the speaker. Now, guidelines are each team will be given a question, carries 10 marks, 5 marks for past question, and 10 seconds will be given to each team to answer, and no negative marking. Ready? Here we go. Learning path, Team A.
आज प्रधानमंत्री जी के बहुत संक्षिप्त भाषण से शुरू हुई. वो मेरे वरिष्ठ साथी आदरणीय जसवंत सिंह जी के धारदार तर्कों से आगे बढ़ती हुई विभिन्न आयामों को छूती हुई मुझ तक पहुंची है. मैं विश्वास मत का विरोध करने के लिए खड़ी हुई हूं. हर वक्ता ने चर्चा की शुरुआत जनादेश की व्याख्या करते हुए की. 2 परस्पर विरोधी व्याख्या.
Yes, learning path.
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi. Not right answer. Yeah.
Sushma Swaraj.
Sushma Swaraj is the right answer. Great. 5 points to Holy Angel Rajpura. Belonged to the BJP, and she also served as a Minister of External Affairs from 2014 to 2019. Next questions to Team B.
और जब हम वंदे मातरम का नाम लेते हैं तो वही भावना हमारे दिल में उजागर होती है। जब हम वंदे मातरम का नाम लेते हैं तो हमें उस पूरे इतिहास की याद आती है जो स्वतंत्रता संग्राम का इतिहास था। उसकी पीड़ा, उसका संघर्ष, उसका साहस, उसकी नैतिकता, उसका जो बल था।
Shall we speak?
Yeah.
Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu. No dear, it's wrong answer. Vivek High School, Mohali.
Mamta Banerjee.
Mamta Banerjee. No.
Priyanka Gandhi Ward.
Priyanka Gandhi is the right answer. Great answer. Questions to audience. Jeev Laplapai. Okay. From which constituency did Priyanka Gandhi win the Lok Sabha election in 2024? You have to name the constituency. Yes, last. Khosla. Name the constituency, dear. Kerala में constituency है. Yes, dear. Why? Wayanad is the right answer. Great answer. Now moving to Vivek High School, Mohali.
Friends, I come to you from many thousand miles away as the ambassador of a very ancient country to the youngest nation in the world. It may surprise you that a country which you are taught to regard as conservative should have chosen a woman to be its representative and ambassador.
Yes, dear.
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi. Answer, please. No. Yes.
Sarojini Naidu.
Sarojini Naidu is the right answer. Great. She was the first Indian woman president of the Indian National Congress. Question to Team D.
It is richly ironic, it's divine karma actually, that I, the lady MP, who was illegally witch hunted by the government, wrongly expelled by ethics committee which had no power to expel, after a motion in which I was not allowed to speak, where the speaker, in violation of every principle of natural justice, did not allow me to defend myself, today I am opening the debate for my party in a motion of no confidence against that very speaker. You can't run away from...
Team D.
Atishi.
Atishi is not right answer. Team A. No? You can try. No?
Vijay Lakshmi Pandit.
Vijay Lakshmi Pandit is not right answer.
Nirmala Sitharaman.
Nirmala Sitharaman is not right answer. Yes, dear. Mohit. Excellent. Great answer. Answer, please. Mahua Moitra. Again, which political party does she belong to? BJP is not right answer. BJP. Yes, dear. TMC is the right answer. Great. Very famous for strong speeches in Parliament. Great. Can we have the score, please?
By the end of round 2, we have learning path 0.
Learning path 0.
Holy Angel, this is only for round 2. Holy Angels with 5 points.
5 points.
Vivek High Mohali is still with 0, and Vivek High Chandigarh is with 10 points.
No worries, Vivek High Mohali and learning path. 2 lines for you. कोई उम्र तुम्हें थका नहीं सकती, कोई ठोकर तुम्हें गिरा नहीं सकती, कोई उम्र तुम्हें हरा नहीं सकती, कोई ठोकर तुम्हें गिरा नहीं सकती, अगर जुनून है तुम में जीतने का तो कोई हार भी तुम्हें हरा नहीं सकती. Now moving to round 3. Shabad Shakti. Guidelines. Each team will be given a set of 2 questions. Each question carries 10 marks, 5 for pass, and 10 seconds will be given to each team to answer, and no negative marking. Great. Can we have a first question? Okay. Team A. Name the legendary singer fondly known as the Swar Kokila of India.
Sir, Lata Mangeshkar.
Lata Mangeshkar is the right answer. Great. देखा शेरो शायरी का कितना फर्क पड़ता है. बंदे ने आंसर दे दिया. Very good. Second question, please. Name the Indian scientist popularly known as the missile woman of India.
Tessie Thomas. Tessie Thomas.
Tessie Thomas is the right answer. Audience, for you, who is called the missile man of India? Okay, leave it. I'm sorry. Okay, last Sikh boy. Yes. Shweta madam. Yes, dear. What's your answer? Abdul Kalam. Can you name the full name? APJ Abdul Kalam. Now, right answer. Again, question for 2 chocolates. Can you tell me the full form of APJ? Yes, girl. Abul Pakir Janul Abdeen Abdul Kalam is the right answer. 2 chocolates for that girl. Great answer. Team C, Vivek High. Name the Indian sprinter nicknamed the Ding Express for her speed and breakthrough performances.
Hello.
PT Usha.
PT Usha is not a right answer. Yes, dear.
Hima Das.
Hima Das is the right answer. Great. Why is she called Ding Express? Anybody? Yes, dear. Very? No. Why she is called Ding Express? No? Yes, dear. Right answer. She belongs to Ding, town of Nagaon, district of Assam. She won the gold medal in 400 meter at World Under 20 Championship. Great. Team D. Name the Indian leader whose strong leadership and decisive political legacy earned her the iconic title Iron Lady of India.
Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi is the right answer. Indira Gandhi was the first and only woman Prime Minister of India. Okay, again questions to audience. Who is called Iron Man of India? Oh, great, yeah. Yes, dear. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is the right answer. Great.
Hello.
Team A. Name the Nobel Peace Prize winning humanitarian who was lovingly called the Saint of the Gutters. Come on, speak up. No.
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa is the right answer. 10 points to Holy Angel School, Rajpura. Okay, questions to Team B. Team B. Name the trailblazing Indian artist often compared to Frida Kahlo for her bold and introspective style. वो कह रहे कुछ भी बोल दे यार कोई बात नहीं बोलो very good. Okay, time is up. Yes, dear. No? Okay. D.
Amrita Singh.
Amrita Singh. Can we have answer, please? Okay, sorry. Okay, ठीक है कोई बात नहीं. Amrita Shergill. Okay. Next question, please. Team C. Name the legendary Indian vocalist celebrated for her soulful renditions of ghazals and often called Malikai Ghazal. No? Team D? No? Team A? No?
M.S. Subbulakshmi.
Huh?
M.S. Subbulakshmi.
Lakshmi? No. Audience. Meenakshi madam. Farida Khanu. No. Yes, Mala madam. Begum Akhtar.
Hello.
Is the right answer. Great. Thank you, madam. Now, Team D. Team D. Name the Indian boxing legend famously known as Magnificent Mary.
Mary Kom.
Mary Kom is the right answer. Okay, audience, please. In which Olympic did Mary Kom win the bronze medal? Yes, dear. 20? 2000? Okay, last girl. Yes. Gandharian. 2012 is the right answer. London Olympics. Great answer. Can we have the score, please?
In round 3, Learning Path has got 10 points. Holy Angels got 15. Vivek High Mohali is yet to open their account. And Vivek High Chandigarh is with 30 points.
Great.
Hello.
2 lines to our audience. जिंदगी में कुछ पाना आसान नहीं होता. जिंदगी में कुछ पाना आसान नहीं होता. बिना मेहनत के कोई महान नहीं होता. जब तक न तराशा जाए पत्थर को हथौड़े की चोट से. जब तक न तराशा जाए पत्थर को हथौड़े की चोट से. कोई पत्थर भी तब तक भगवान नहीं होता. Now moving to our 4th round. वीरांगना परिचय. Shweta madam, movie.
Hello.
Clue based. Okay, thank you. This round comprises of 3 questions. Each team will be given a set of clues to identify the personality. If you answer after first clue, 30 marks will be awarded. 20 marks after the second clue, 10 marks after the third clue. 10 seconds will be given to each team, and there is no pass question. No negative marking. Okay. Ready? Okay. Team A. Your first clue. An annual award is presented in her honor by the All India Minority Front to recognize individuals who embody her spirit of courage, social justice, and national unity. Second clue, please. She is widely remembered for hoisting the Indian national flag at Gwalior Tank Maidan, Bombay during the Quit India movement.
Can I speak?
Yes.
Aruna Asif Ali. Aruna Asif Ali.
Aruna Asif Ali is the right answer. Can you tell me she is called Grand Old Lady? Who is known as Grand Old Man of India? Yes, lady. Gandharian. Dadabhai Naroji is the right answer. Great. Team B. First clue. Kartavyam is a Telugu film based on her life.
Jayalalitha.
Jayalalitha. No. Second clue, please. She was the first woman to be appointed as the civilian police advisor in the UN Department of Peace Operations.
Kiran Bedi.
Kiran Bedi is the right answer. Former governor of Puducherry. Team C, Vivek High. She was awarded the Kesari Hind Medal for community service in 1919 by the British colonial government of India. Second clue, please. A pioneer Indian social reformer and Christian missionary who championed women's education and rights. Third clue, please. She founded Sharda Sadan and Mukti Mission to support child widows and destitute women.
Pandita Ramabai.
Pandita Ramabai. Can we have Pandita Ramabai? Saraswati is the right answer. Great. Question to team D. Your first clue. She has been named the ambassador of the Swachh Bharat Mission, youth-based Swachh Sathi program. Second clue, please. She was appointed as an advocate of the Sustainable Development Goals by the Secretary General of the UN. Third clue, please. She was crowned Miss Asia Pacific International in 2000. No. Audience. Who said Rahul Gandhi? Yes, dear. Vikramshila. Yes, yes. Yes, dear.
Aishwarya
Yes.
Rai.
Aishwarya Rai. No, no, no. It's wrong answer. Diya Mirza is the right answer. Miss Diya Mirza. Great. Madam, can we have the score, please?
Yes, in round 4, we have Learning Path with 20 points, Holy Angels with 20 points, and Vivekai Mohali with 10 points.
Great.
And Vivekai Chandigarh has not scored anything in this.
2 lines to all. मुश्किलों को हराना हुनरमंदों का काम होता है। मुश्किलों को हराना हुनरमंदों का काम होता है। हौसले हो बुलंद तो मुट्ठी में हर मुकाम होता है। हौसले हो बुलंद तो मुट्ठी में हर मुकाम होता है। ताकत रखना बाहों में लहरों के खिलाफ तैरने की, लहरों के साथ बहना तो लाशों का काम होता है। Moving to round 5. चलचित्र प्रेरणा। बहुत मजा आएगा। Guidelines. This round comprises of 8 questions. Each team will be asked set of 2 questions. This round carries 20 marks. 10 marks for first question and 10 marks will be awarded for the correct answers to the second question. 10 seconds will be given and no pass question. Team A, get ready.
भारतवर्ष एक महान सभ्यता है जहां मिट्टी भी सोना थी और दिलों के दरवाजे हर मेहमान के लिए खुले थे। इन्हीं दरवाजों से एक दिन घुस आए कुछ क्रूर शैतानी इरादे। हिंसा और अत्याचार के सामने जब घायल हो रही थी हर आत्मा, तब इस मिट्टी के गर्भ से उठ खड़ी हुई। मणिकर्णिका।
Silence, please. Thank you. Team A, your first question. The movie is a biopic based on the life of which historical personality?
Rani Lakshmi Bai, also known as Manikarnika.
Rani Lakshmi Bai is the right answer. Second question, please. Name the British general who captured her kingdom in 1858. British journal. No? Okay. Audience. Gandhara, girl. Right answer. Hugh Ross is the right answer. Can we have answer, please? Great. Major General Hugh Ross. Team B, get ready.
बात यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचनी चाहिए थी बानो। तुम्हें क्या लगा मैं डर जाऊंगा?
बात सिर्फ आपकी ज़बान की थी।
नहीं, पिछली बार तुमने कहा था कि तुम्हारी इज्जत की बात है।
हम अब्बास से बेहद प्यार करते थे। उसी प्यार से इस लड़ाई की शुरुआत हुई।
तुम कोई पहली औरत तो हो नहीं जिसने अपना शौहर बांटा है।
बिरयानी या शीर कोरमा नहीं, रिजवान कर बहुत सवाब का बहुत बरकत होगी। अब्बास शौहर है हमारे।
ये रही महर की रकम। अब आज से हमारा कोई रिश्ता नहीं है।
आपकी बेगम आपके ऊपर केस कर रही है।
हमारे 3 छोटे बच्चे हैं। महीने के खर्च पर बात हुई थी, अचानक पैसे देना बंद कर दिया।
मुस्लिम पर्सनल लॉ और सेकुलर लॉ को आप एक दूसरे के खिलाफ खड़ा कर।
First question, please. Name the book from which this movie takes its inspiration. No?
The State versus Nazrat Banu.
No, dear. Second question, please. First answer is Bano Bharat ki beti. Okay, ji. Name the practice declared unconstitutional by the Supreme Court ensuring the protection of Muslim women right. Answer is?
Triple talaq.
Talaq, talaq, talaq. That is triple talaq. Is the right answer? Taliq e biddat. Instant triple talaq. Is the right answer? Question to team C.
तैयार हो बेटा। हिंदुस्तान के साथ हमारे हालात काफी सख्त होने वाले। वो आसमान देख रहे होंगे और हम उनके पांव तले से जमीन खींच लेंगे।
ले। मैं चाहता हूं तुम हिंदुस्तान की आंख और कान बन के पाकिस्तान में रहो।
हमारे इतिहास में ऐसे कई लोग हैं जिन्हें कोई इनाम, कोई मेडल नहीं मिलता। हम उनका नाम तक नहीं जानते, ना ही उन्हें पहचानते हैं। सिर्फ वतन के झंडे पर अपनी याद छोड़ जाते हैं।
Team C, your first question.
19.
Name the novel from which the movie has been adapted.
1971 born.
Answer, please. Calling Sehmat by Commander Harjinder Sikka. Second question, please. Which wing of Indian defense did the protagonist belong to in this movie?
Indian Navy.
Indian Navy. Answer, please. RAW, the Research and Analysis Wing. Question to team D.
Terrorists started shooting the District brigade. Pakistan security forces stormed the wing. According to sources, 4 hijackers breached security by the United States Airport Security Force uniform. They killed 2 guards and 20 passengers.
And then after 16 hours, the terrorists started.
इसकी कुंडली में लिखा था कुल का दीपक बनेगी ये।
Question to team D. Name the gallantry award given to her posthumously.
Ashok Chakra.
Ashok Chakra is the right answer. Next question. Name the real life person played by the protagonist in this movie.
Neerja Bhanot.
Neerja Bhanot is the right answer. Great. Can we have the score, please?
In round 5, Learning Path has scored 10 points. Holy Angels has got 10 points. VHS Mohali has got nil in this, and Vivek High Chandigarh scored 20 points.
Great. Great movies. 2 lines for Indian women. भगवान का दिया कभी अल्प नहीं होता, भगवान का दिया कभी अल्प नहीं होता, जो टूट जाए कभी वो संकल्प नहीं होता, औरत के बिना सृष्टि की रचना का कोई विकल्प नहीं होता. Now moving to the 6th round. Shakti Raftar. This is a buzzer round. We have 10 questions, 10 marks will be awarded for each correct answer. 5 marks will be deducted. Be careful. And no pass question. Please check your buzzers, please. Yes. Okay, right. Right. Team C. Right. D. Great. Ready? Question number 1. Name the first tribal woman to serve the president of India.
Draupadi Murmu.
Draupadi Murmu is the right answer. Great going, Mohali. Second question, please. Name the scheme launched on 22nd January 2015 to tackle the declining child sex ratio and promote education for girls.
POXO Act. POXO.
No. Answer, please. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. It's a very simple question. Next question, please. Name the app developed by the Ministry of Women and Child Development for reporting workplace sexual harassment. Yes, dear.
Is it POXO this time? POXO this time.
POSCO is not right answer. She-box. Next question, please. Name the constitutional amendment that ensured 33% reservation for women in Panchayati Raj institution. Come on, very easy answer. Nobody's dare to take risk. Answer, please. 73rd Amendment, 1992. Next, please. Name the first lady to win the Miss Universe title.
Sushmita Sen. Sushmita Sen.
Sushmita Sen is the right answer. 10 marks. Next question, please. Name the 2007 Government of India scheme for preventing trafficking and rehabilitating victims of commercial sexual exploitation. है दम। आंसर प्लीज। उज्ज्वला। प्रधानमंत्री उज्ज्वला योजना is concerned with gas cylinder. Good. Next question please. Name the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest.
Bachendri Pal. Bachendri Pal.
Bachendri Pal is the right answer. Next question please. Name the Indian cricketer who led the national women team to multiple World Cup finals. Yes, dear.
Mithali Raj. Mithali Raj.
Mithali?
Raj.
Raj. Answer, please. 10 marks. Next question. Name the Indian business leader who led PepsiCo as CEO and became the global symbol of corporate leadership.
Vandana Shiva. Vandana Shiva.
Vandana Shiva. No. Answer, please. Indra Nui. Moving to the last question. Name the color traditionally associated with International Women's Day.
Purple, green and white. Purple, green
Tell me
and
one.
white. Purple.
Purple is the right answer. Great.
Team A के 10 है.
Can we have the score, please?
In round 6, Learning Paths got 10 points. Holy Angels got 0 because they got 1 correct and 2 incorrect. And Vivek High Mohali with 15 points because they got 2 correct and 1 incorrect. And for the VHS Chandigarh, it's got 10 points.
Great. Now I would like to conclude this quiz with 2 lines. Silence, please. Silence. Pin drop silence. Thank you so much. सदियों से जिसे दबाया गया, सदियों से जिसे दबाया गया, वो आज सब पर भारी है. सदियों से जिसे दबाया गया, आज वो सब पे भारी है. कुचला था जिसको पैरों तले, बनी वो एक चिंगारी है. भारत के हंसते मुखड़े पर बनी वो एक किलकारी है. परचम लहराया भारत का, परचम लहराया दुनिया में भारत का जिसने, वो और नहीं, कोई और नहीं, वो भारत की नारी है, वो भारत की नारी है. Thank you so much and God bless you all. Thank you.
A huge thank you to Gurdev sir for that truly engaging and scintillating quiz. And a big round of applause to all our participants for their enthusiasm, presence and quick thinking. As the results for Gyan Manthan are being compiled, let us now move ahead to the Shield of Honor, where budding minds transform their creativity into powerful shields, each telling a story of strength and individuality.
We were honored to have Mr. Paramjeet Singh and Ms. Bhavna Bhatia with us. Mr. Paramjeet Singh is an accomplished fine arts educator. He holds a master's degree in fine arts and has a rich and diverse career, including experience as a faculty member Academy founder and freelance artist. His contributions are truly remarkable, having created over 6,000 pieces of artwork. He has been honored by Trinity College London for Best Set Design and recognized for his dedicated service and artistic excellence. We are truly grateful for your presence, sir.
Ms. Bhavna Bhatia is an experienced educator who teaches design and mass media to senior grade students. She brings with her 13 years of teaching experience, reflecting her dedication and expertise in the field. She holds academic qualifications in design, mass communication, and fine arts, which add depth and creativity to her teaching approach. We are honored to have you here, ma'am.
And now, may I request Mr. Paramjeet Singh, Ms. Bhavna Bhatia, and Mrs. Amarjyoti Kaur to kindly come on stage and announce the results and felicitate the winners.
Good afternoon. Dear children, I know you are full of enthusiasm and energy. After this wonderful performance of all the teams here and the quiz master, should we have a thunderous applause for the quiz master? So the results are here. The third position goes to Holy Angel School, Rajpura, and the name of the participant is Vansh Mishra. The third position goes to Holy Angel School. The second position goes to Vivek High School, Mohali, Mehreen Kaur. The first position goes to Learning Paths, Mohali, Agam Solanki. Congratulations to each one of you.
show of hands. All right. Now for the results of the quiz, we have a tie between two teams. That is Team A and Team B. They have both got the same score. So we are going to have the tiebreaker question for both the teams. You will be pressing your buzzer. So please check the buzzer. Team A and Team B. Team B.
Team A and Team
B.
B. Can you check your buzzer, please? Okay, ji. Great. Ready? Who was the first woman president of India? Pratibha Devi Singh Patil is the right answer. Great.
May I request our esteemed Vice Principal, Mr. Mukul Sharma, to come up on stage and announce the results for the Gyan Month.
Good afternoon, everyone. So we had a scintillating quiz. The results are quite obvious. It was in front of us, but still, let formally the result be declared. So the third position after the tiebreaker has been won by the Learning Path School. No. Third is?
Learning. Your learning partner?
Yes. The third is Learning Path. They scored 60. Second position is Holy Angels Rajpura, 70. And the first position is by Vivek High School, Chandigarh, with 100 points. Congratulations to the winning team. Thank you.
I request all participants of I request all participants of I request teachers of the history department to please come up on stage. I also request Ms. Bhavna Bhatia and Mr. Paramjeet Singh to come up on stage to receive their token of appreciation as a heartfelt gesture for their time. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Thakur sir, Ashish sir, Arpita ma'am, Dharampal bhaiya, and all the support staff for their constant and unwavering help. I would also like to thank the teachers of the History Department for organizing this wonderful event. I would like to conclude this event with a quote. Here's to strong women. May we know them, may we be them, and may we raise them. I now hand over to the French department. I request the audience to please maintain decorum. ये क्या हो रहा है? Everybody to please settle down for the results for the French Fest.
Students, please settle down. Last results are left. Please settle down, everyone. Students, be quiet. We are just waiting for you to be quiet. Please go ahead with the French.
First, we'll be announcing the results for the French fashion show, Group A, which is class 7. The third position goes to Veronica Sharma from Bhavan Vidyalaya. Second goes to Vanya from Manav Rachna International School. And the first position goes to Advika Jain from Vivek High School.
Now for the results of the French fashion show Group B, which is class 8. Third position is bagged by Zaina Sharma from Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh. Second position, Rishan Rakesh Rana from Vivek High School. And first position, Tanvi Singla from Chitkara International School.
Now for the Tambola round. The third position is bagged by Kavya Bansal, Vivek High School. The second position is Ruhani, Vivek High School, Chandigarh. And the first position is bagged by Afreen Kaur Dhillo from Manav Rachna International School. Can we please have a round of applause for them?
Now for the results of the French storytelling competition. Group A, which is class 9, third position is bagged by Khushi Bakshi from Manav Rachna International School, Mohali. Second position, Anya Agarwal, Bhavan Vidyalaya, Chandigarh. And first position, Suhani Kumar, Vivek High School.
Now for the final results, the French storytelling competition Group B. The first position is bagged by Ayan from Bhavan Vidyalaya. Parth Singla gets the third position, and the second position is bagged by Avnoor Vivek High. The first position is bagged by Ayan, the second position is bagged by Avnoor, and the third position is bagged by Parth. I would now like to request our esteemed judges to please come up on stage and get a token of appreciation for taking out the time and judging the competition. Thank you. All the participants for the French event to come up on stage for a group photograph. All the participants for the French Fest to please come up on stage for a group photograph. Now I request ma'am to play the closing video for the French Fest. I would now like to invite Mukul sir on stage to announce the overall results.
Okay, good afternoon once again to everyone. We are just on the culmination of this fiesta. So over the past 3 days, and this being the fourth, you have enjoyed events across 9 departments. So we had a rule that any school participating in 5 or more departments out of these 9 or even the more, then the best 5 department scores will be added and the grand Vivek Hai Fiesta Trophy will be awarded to that school. So as we have concluded, I have the results. At the third position, now overall cumulative I am talking, best of 5. At the third position is Bhavan Vidyalaya. Just to note, they were the winners last time. Second position, Strawberry Fields. And the first position goes to Vivek Hai Chandigarh. May I invite all the participants and teachers of VHS Fiesta to come on the stage to receive the trophy. And then, being a host, we'll carry forward it to the second, Strawberry Fields. I'm told nobody from the Strawberry Fields is present right now, so we'll transfer to them. But right now, Vivek Hai Chandigarh, please come and receive the trophy. Everyone, all the participants of Fiesta.
अंगूर में है, जल्दी चले जाओ, सबको भेज दो। Everyone is requested to rise for the school song.
Together unafraid, over land, in the air, on the sea. Together let us work hand in hand at Vivek and ring the bells of victory. Together unafraid, for 100 nights, 100 days. Together let us go where Vivek's flag flies and friendship's banner raise. Together unafraid, with knowledge and integrity, our motto at Vivek. Onwards to the goal we will always march, with faith and hope and cheer. Together unafraid.
All the participants are requested to move to the basement for the lunch, and all the students of Vivek High are supposed to move back to their classes. Thank you.